Hello guys, update this April is first, the gasoline is still ongoing rollback, but it's still 80 to 89 to 90 per liter. So yes, 60 pesos. If we back 60 pesos, impossible. But I hope so. It will be end the war between Israel and Iran and US, and I hope it will be open the heart of Hormuz area will be going back to normal. I think they have a big potentially going affordable like 50 to 60, but right now yeah, it's still on going. Second is the electricity. So we are already felt some small time of brownout or electricity outage, but thankfully it's not totally get too long. It's around less than couple of hours or less than hour. So yes, it's, but right now we have already felt two times brown out, but it's not getting too long. But right now, so we actually have 2 hours until right now, and I hope it'll be fixed that as soon as possible, hopefully. So yeah, but other provinces like remote places, it will be expand more than 5 to 6 or 13 hours or something like that. So it really depends the cooperative or the power distribution service provider. It depends. So yeah, and also the third is the transportation. It's a little bit higher due to the gasoline price hike, so it will be more affected. So yeah, it's very horrible and very expensive. Even the food, yeah, it's going a little bit higher. I hope Aesop will be alright right now, because I don't have any kind of update with her, because they have some important things to do with her own, you know and I will try my best to keep in touch, in contact with her. What is her update and what is her experience here, because it's a little bit higher between the all the expenses. So yeah, I guess that's it. Bye bye.